Good morning, boos. I just finished my hair and makeup. Today is a very, very long day. I actually wanted to start this vlog like before I started my makeup, but today's already been a bit chaotic and I figured, oh my god, this is a really good day to vlog because not only am I filming Nikki and Gabby today, but I'm traveling to LA, and when I go to LA, I'm moving into my apartment in LA, which I want you guys to see, and then I start rehearsals for my show. If you guys didn't know, I'm performing in London July 15th at the O2. This is just the week of rehearsals and putting my set together. It's like the perfect week to move, and I'm really excited to show you guys that. My day in my life, traveling, I'm gonna be moving in. So I'm running behind, actually heading to my parents' house to film this Nikki and Gabby video. So let's get into this. So I just got done filming Nikki and Gabby. Now I'm gonna head on over to Designer Consignor, which is where I'm currently selling my fragrance, Beautiful Mess. We are sold out online. We don't restock till August. So for now, if you wanna buy my fragrance, you guys could buy it at Designer Consignor. I'm actually gonna go sign some Beautiful Mess bottles since they're in stock here, like in my hometown. Those of you who do buy my fragrance for the same price as they were online will actually have my signature on them. Not the actual bottle, but like the box. I also sell like my hand-me-downs in Designer Consignor in storefront. You could go visit the store, or you could also DM them or shop their website. I'm gonna go there right now. Then I'm gonna go to Ulta and pick out some makeup for the show / rehearsals. And yeah, let's go do that. It was a successful Ulta trip. I just realized that I've been wearing this makeup since 8 a.m. I want to take off this makeup. I want to do a face mask and then put on like a cute, like no makeup travel makeup look, because I'm gonna be wearing that makeup for a while. But I'm someone who like really loves to travel like in style, as you guys have seen on like TikTok and social media. I always love to give a good look when I'm traveling. So yeah, I'm gonna do like skincare when I go home. I do want to make a stop at the liquor store and get like mini bottles, because sometimes the airport that I fly out of doesn't have a selection of like liquor before you get on the plane, and I'm just someone who needs just like the edge off before takeoff. So because I'm moving into the cutest, most adorable pink apartment tonight, I am packing some outfits that I want to keep in LA that would just like go with my LA aesthetic / like apartment. So I'm bringing like this really cute, I think it's like a 1940s set, and it's like romper dress. It's so cute. It's a mini. I'm also bringing this dress. I want to make it into a mini. This Notorious dress I've had since 2014. I just think it fits the vibe of where I'm going. Then I have this cute pajama set. That's this adorable pastel blue bed jacket with tulle and light pink ribbon. And I feel like these pajamas would look super cute in the apartment as well. I did make my way over to Wine and Spirits to get my new roommate a gift. I got rosé, and then I'm giving her a bottle of Beautiful Mess. Just want to shout out Vanessa Mooney for this beautiful play suit with like jewelry all over it, and this beautiful jewelry. This ring right here is from Vanessa Mooney as well. The limo's here. I'm about to head out. I ruined my makeup already. I just cried my eyes out saying so long to Bear and Colin, but this is work, this is life, and I'm actually really excited to land and see my new place. I'm going away for so long because right after LA is London, and there's like maybe one day here in between, but like it's just a lot of traveling, and ready to go. I'm ready to put the show together. So, guys, I'm home. So this is where I'm gonna be staying when I'm in LA. I'm gonna go get in something more comfy. This is what I wore on the plane. But then we'll catch up either tonight or tomorrow. So comfortable. And that was an air mattress.
Yeah, it was like pretty decent.
That air mattress. Oh, does the mattress come today? Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, look how cute the kitchen is. Can we just take a second? Like, I want to make a dessert. Can't believe I live here.
Good morning, dolls.
So this is Hannah. This is my LA roommate.
Hey.
I can't believe like I have a place here with you, first of all. I feel like we need our own video where we just do like a whole like Q&A about it.
Yeah.
I feel like it's not even for this vlog. I feel like we need like a whole story time.
Like a whole separate in the bedroom.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Didn't we realize last night like we're both rising Libras or something?
Yeah.
We're like
like literally it explains so much. Like I'll speak like colors and like cute like aesthetic like clothing.
Patterns, colors, dress, literally. I woke up feeling like I was in a fairy tale. There's like a fountain outside. There's like birds chirping.
I feel like we'll just genuinely have so much fun.
I know.
Together. Like literally, I haven't had a girl live with me in like since college.
Same.
Like,
I miss it. I miss college.
Like roomie vibes.
Roomie vibes.
Truth or drink needs
Truth or drink needs to happen.
Needs
Yes.
to happen.
Let us know in the comments down below if you guys want a truth or drink.
Yeah.
And I actually have to get ready to go to rehearsals right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix this grease of a mess. I'm gonna head to rehearsals. And then we'll catch up.
Yay. Bye, dolls.
Bye. Hey London fancy babies or anyone near. I'm performing at the O2 on July 15th. I'm performing my whole entire album plus 2 or 3 exclusive songs from more upcoming singles and albums. If you guys are interested in seeing me live, then definitely click the link and get your tickets now.